Becky Carney, Rebecca, and Becky Carney, born December 25, 1944. Her district includes constituents in Mecklenburg County. Carney is a homemaker from Charlotte, North Carolina. In 2002, Carney defeated Libertarian Daniel Elmaleh in the general election. She had previously been elected in 1996 to the Mecklenburg Board of County Commissioners and served 3 terms, serving as vice chairman several times. Carney had an unsuccessful run for school board in 1995. During a late-night House session on July 2, 2012, Carney mistakenly cast the deciding vote to override Governor Beverly Perdue's veto of Senate Bill 820, granting authority to make hydraulic fracturing legal in North Carolina. A long-standing House rule that disallows changing of a vote if the vote changes the outcome of the bill prevented Carney from correcting her electronic vote